goodbye to dirt and mess with the portable wireless vacuum cleaner, a game changer for effortless cleaning. First, experience dual suction power that tackles everything from carpets to hardwood effortlessly, ensuring spotless results at home or in the office. Second, never worry about losing charge with the high-capacity battery, providing long-lasting power to reach those tricky spots without interruption. Finally, enjoy the freedom of a compact, lightweight design. It's perfect for conquering those tight spaces. Transform the cleaning routine with ultimate efficiency. Give it a try today and revolutionize the way cleaning is done.